Hold those, Brenton.
This is the first aquarium I'm really putting a bunch of live plants.
Bam! These things are huge. Look at the size of that thing.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Grab the next one. This one's even bigger.
Hey, buddy.
What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Before I start today's video, this video is sponsored by myself. I sponsored my own video. Is that possible?
You could do that.
CuffArobrand.com sponsored this video. I finally made a new merch drop. A bunch of new stuff is on the site. Beautiful new logo right here. It says Build Your Passion, Cuffaro Brand LLC. Turn it around, look what's on the back. For all my turtle lovers out there, stacked Reddier sliders. So baller. And the color of the shirt, the texture, beautiful. I also got this sick shirt right here. It says PC brand along the whole entire thing. It just kind of slowly fades away. Love that shirt. Definitely a unique one. This has to be one of my favorites. Gary the Goose. A beautiful, nice, sleek logo for Gary the Goose lovers out there. Throw that one over. Now, of course, we have other stuff on the site, but I kind of made a new version of a very simple tee. White SPF with that logo on there. And then what I'm wearing right now, in honor of this video, the new axolotl PC shirt. This axolotl is literally holding a PC logo. I mean, how cool is that? And like today's video is all about axolotls.
Yeah, so it fits.
I have to be wearing this. Although this is after we had already filmed this video, so I didn't have this shirt when we filmed the video. It's just... But if you guys want to get any merch, there's a heck of a lot of new stuff, even more new stuff than this. Go to CuffArobrand.com. It is the top link in the description. Get yourself some merch. We'll have it to your front doorstep as fast as we possibly can. Love each and every one of you so much. Enjoy this epic axolotl video. Quick little update on the saltwater tank. Of course, last video absolutely blew up. We got a lot of fish that are kind of just swimming around everywhere now. Look at them all. It's looking real lively. Of course, our shark egg also getting very, very big. Of course, our zebra eel is hiding in the rocks. Corals are all doing great, and I just wanted to make sure you got an update on this before we continue on with today's video. We are here in the fish building. I need to buy a bunch of aquatic plants for my new axolotl tank, so that's exactly what we're about to do, and from there, I'll meet you back right here. We're walking the GoPro in today. Yes, both those.
I picked out 4.
Hold those, Brenton. And sweet. How you doing, Brenton?
Oh, they're good. Keep stacking.
Yeah, let's just...
Oh, Paul, what? I got him.
Do one good green fern right on top. There you go, bud.
I got him.
I think this is a solid like $200. Let's go. I'm actually curious. Yeah, 569. This man just took my credits.
6584.
Sorry, what was the last four?
6584.
$79. Wow, we did great. Yes, I will use the points, please. Thanks, Brendan.
Got you some
How the
points.
tables have turned.
Oh yeah.
Dude, for what? That was $79?
76 with my points off.
You're so right.
Yes.
We got a bunch of live plants. I mean, that was a come up. A lot of it was 50% off. And I also have some live plants at home as well. So this thing's gonna be planted full of live plants. All right, Cuffaros, we have not made enough money on ad revenue to yet get lights for the top of this building. So if you could smash the like button, that would help immensely. Anyway, we have a bunch of plants right here for our axolotl tank. We've had this tank now cycling for about a week or so. I didn't even show it in any videos. I wanted it to be a surprise. Literally, this tank is set up. It's got a big hide in the middle. It's got a piece of wood over here. When I did fill up this tank with water, I actually put in some quick start, which was a big help as well. Kickstarts everything, gets everything going. We love our API stuff here. They're a big sponsor of this channel, although this video is not sponsored. We always use them though. Inside, I just ripped the bag in half. I got a lot of plants. If we just set them on top, look at our makeshift lights. I have so many. Look at that. Our fish building is an absolute mess right now. We have the 5,500 gallon. Yeah, that's not even set up yet. We also have a bunch of junk over here. I gotta get everything neat, but we do have AC. Literally a full AC unit is in, 5-ton unit. We don't play around. This place is really kicking. It's currently right now, exactly the temperature I have it set up to, 72 degrees, and it's like late afternoon. It's cranking.
What was that?
I was trying to be like an AC unit.
That was an awful impression.
We can start opening all our new plants. This is what I was told in the comment section. Do a big live plant aquarium for your next axolotl tank, because everyone knew I was doing an axolotl tank in this building. I had mentioned on my community tab, you guys didn't vote for it first, but it's fine. It still was up there. Everyone wants me to finish the 5,500 gallon.
I don't blame them.
I don't either, because I want to. But that'll be done. I just gotta get the fiberglass back together. It's hard to get this guy over here. 50% off because there's one dead plant, and guess what? Now there's none.
Root all the way down there.
Not 50% off because it's fully green.
This is the first aquarium I'm really putting a bunch of live plants into.
Honing in on the green.
Yes. So pretty.
I mean, we got a lot of live plants in there. It's looking good. That's just the left side right there. You got the hide, which the axolotls can go up in, and it's nice and dark like they like it. Over here as well, nice piece of wood. And these are 2 females, so they're gonna get along just great. They're gonna love each other and have a nice, beautiful life in here. And I have a big chiller I gotta plug in too, by the way, because axolotls like the water temperature very, very low. 68 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Watch this. Right there. There it is.
Wow. That? What the f? I thought you were gonna get like something like that big. What is that?
That right there is a chiller. That keeps the water cold.
One more.
One more, and it's a big one.
What's more now?
That's why they're 50% off, because they go from twice the size to that. You may be asking yourself, Paul, what the heck did you just build this entire tank for and got all those live plants for? Bam. Live fish, live axolotl. There's 2 massive axolotls in here. And 2?
I thought there was only one.
No, 2 females.
What?
2 giant females. They're not just any average axolotl. Let me show you these guys. We have a little note. Paul, welcome to the axolotl world. These are 2 of my female adult holdbacks from 2 of our previous clutches. They are able to be housed together. You have a beautiful golden albino and a blue-gilled leucistic. I hope they bring you as much joy as they bring to me. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out anytime. I will attach our social media and basic care sheet. Enjoy. Mother of axolotls. Absolute legend, Alyssa. I'm just gonna show the camera this care sheet. That way, obviously I will read over it, but you could read over this as well. Take a nice little screenshot or whatever you may wanna do. Look at that, 60 to 68 degrees. See, I was a little off. pH 6.8 to 7.6, so it's got the whole entire sheet right here. Everything you need to know about an axolotl. Screenshot that, y'all, if you wanna know anything about axolotl. If you guys ever have any questions about axolotls, where to get them, or anything on that guide sheet right there, look at this. Mother of Axolotl on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Big shout out to Mother of Axolotls, Alyssa, thank you so much, I appreciate that. Our axolotls are now being sold at predatoryfins.com.
Woo! Yeah!
Yeah! My boy Rodrigo is now selling these and many more of these axolotls, so if you are interested, I am going to call him and see if we can get a discount code going. If not, it won't be on the screen. I'll probably cut this out. But if there is, that's the code. Use that code right there. I'm gonna try to get you guys a little discount, you know what I'm saying? I got you. Big shout out to both Alyssa from Mother of Axolotls and Predatory Fins Rodrigo. Let's see what these things look like, baby.
Oh my goodness!
My goodness. These things are huge.
Bro, wait, I didn't know they got that big.
Oh no, Yo, these are incredible. These are like no other I've ever seen.
Oh my gosh.
I gotta bring these down.
Look at the size of that thing.
Oh my God!
Yeah!
Yo! That's sick! That's sick, dude! Like, look at the size of my hand.
Oh.
It's bigger than my hand. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Drop her in.
We're putting this baby gill, quite literally, this is a baby gill.
This is the big old bibbly gill.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Grab the next one.
This one's even bigger.
No.
This one's even bigger.
No way.
Oh
my God! Oh, whoa! Wait.
It's freaking gold.
It's literally gold.
It is gold, and it's huge.
That one's bigger, by far.
Holy sh! Mother of axolotls, dude, this is crazy. Holy. Yo. This is just the first thing we're doing in the fish building. You understand? This is like the beginning of something so crazy. This is crazy, Cuffaros.
So
I know you guys love the axolotl stuff too. Every time I make an axolotl video, y'all are all over it. So I'm really hoping you're enjoying this just as much as me. I am beyond stoked. I gotta get that chiller set up like tomorrow though. That thing needs to be running ASAP. Although this water is room temp and we keep this building at 72 always, so they'll be good. They've got a beautiful aquarium just for them two and them two only. Literally nothing else will be in here. This tank is about, I think, 80 gallons? I think this is an 80 gallon. I could be wrong. It's big. It's really big. We're literally gonna leave these axolotls in here for like 30 minutes, let them acclimate, and then we're gonna come back and release them into their new home. What do you think of these?
The gold one, I didn't know they make gold ones.
Look at that. I mean, it is gold. And then they sent this beautiful bluegilled leucistic right here. So that's the bluegilled. That is the gold albino. Check out this tank too. I mean, we absolutely killed it. That big old hide for both of them. And so many more places for them to explore along the way. I'd say these are solid like 8 to 10 inches each.
I'm having a staring competition with this gold one. He hasn't blinked one time. Oh, I blinked! Dang it!
I was gonna say, you lost, bro. You blinked. Hey, Knuckles, buddy. It has been a long time, actually. It's now dark outside. It's been like 45 minutes. It's time to finally release our axolotls and get them into the new aquarium. I've got a bucket and a net and my axolotl right here. The water's a little bit dirty because it's been through transport all day. It's actually really dirty.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that. Just the gold. It has like a Jinrin on it. Literally like that Jinrin gold flaky look to it. Hey, buddy. Oh my gosh. That's insane.
Now it'll have minimal time out of the water because we're gonna go literally from here in. Oh my gosh, I just grabbed the log. Gold albino axolotl is in. Oh my, you see that one in an orange bucket.
Jesus.
Woo! My God, I don't know, dude. I honestly like this one better.
That thing is beautiful. Holy moly. Hey, buddy. He just bit my finger.
He bit me, but they have no teeth. It felt like someone just went.
There you go, buddy.
All right, in.
Very smooth transition. That right there is 2 beautiful axolotls in the fish building, which is the first thing to ever enter the fish building. You got the pumps going, the filters are going. I gotta set up that chiller tomorrow. That will be done. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this and you wanna see more stuff just like it, smash the like button and subscribe down below. PC merch, dropped a bunch of new stuff. Go check it out, top link in the description. I hope both of them, do very, very well in here. It could be stressful. That was a long, long move. They traveled all day. And I'm excited to see them grow and flourish in this beautiful planted aquarium. We set up a new tank and got new axolotls. Bam, baby! See you in the next one. Peace!